Welcome to my channel Crochet Skills. In today's video you will learn another alphabet, that is R. So for the patterns from A to R you can check my playlist crochet alphabets from Crochet Skills, so you can find all the patterns. So we will start with the slip knot in chain 36. Work a double crochet into the second chain from the hook. Work 1 double crochet in the next 11 stitches, that means 1 double crochet in each of the next 11 stitches. So I am crocheting 1 double crochet in each of the next 11 stitches. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe Crochet Skills. Don't forget to click the bell. And for queries, please ask me in comment. So I am working 11 double crochets. This is done. Okay, in the next 5 stitches, I will work 5 double crochets together. That means I will work 5 unfinished double crochets. These are called 5 double crochets together. And just yarning over, going into the stitches, pulling up 1 loop, pull it through 2, and then 1 loop on the hook is left. So I have 6 loops on the hook, pull it through all the loops together. This is a 5 double crochet together. Now in the next 3 stitches I will work 1 double crochet into each stitch. 1, 2, and 1 more in the next stitch. Okay. Now we will repeat 6 times double crochet 2 together. How we will crochet this double crochet 2 together? Just yarn over, go into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull it through 2, yarn over again, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull it through 2. You have 3 loops on the hook, pull it through all the loops together. This is my second double crochet 2 together. So I will repeat it 4 more times. This is the third one. These stitches will help you for the curve of this P. So we are working 6 double crochet 2 together. This is the 5th one. And last one. So this is how my 6 double crochet 2 together are completed. Okay, now you can see I have 3 stitches left, so I will work 1 double crochet in each stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Now as you can see my P is completed. How? Here you can see, I will adjust it here. So this is my P. Right after 5 double crochet together, I will count 4 stitches, and here into this 4th stitch I will make a slip stitch to join it for the P. If you need P, you will stop here, cut the yarn and weave the ends. I will make 3 more slip stitches to join it properly. You can use these initials to attach it on your kids' dress, for their hats as well, for any decoration purpose, or to make them learn alphabets. You can use them. Okay, this is my P. Now we will change it into R. For this, what we are going to do, into the very first stitch, I will work a single crochet without chaining any stitch. I will just go into the first stitch and make a single crochet. In the next one I am working a half double crochet. In the next stitch, just wait a minute, yarn over, go into the stitch, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, pull it through all the loops together. This is my half double crochet. In the next stitch, I will work a double crochet. Okay, as you can see this shape. Now I will make chain 7. Work 1 double crochet into the second chain from the hook. Work 1 double crochet in the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will make a slip stitch right there into the right next to the first double crochet. So my R is completed, as you can see. So this is how it will look. I will just cut the yarn and weave the ends now. I hope you have liked my video. You can understand my tutorial, its shape, and you can easily make it now. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe Crochet Skills and don't forget to click the bell. Please, for any comment section. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.